The St. Elizabeth Police say the parish has seen a 130% increase in robberies since the start of the year up to the end of April. But as you'll hear in this report from Javon Keys, the police say they're expanding their reach to nab more criminals.
The parish of St. Elizabeth has seen 23 reports of robberies since the start of 2022 up to the week ended April 26. This is 13 more reports compared to the same period in 2021. This increase is a concern for citizens and the police in the parish. Break-ins have, however, remained the same for the period at 30 reports. Commanding officer for the St. Elizabeth Division, Superintendent Dwight Daly, says incidents of break-ins and robberies have been led by a particular gang.
We call them the poker box syndicate. This group operates right across the island. They go around and they steal poker boxes. They do not only steal poker boxes, but they break into homes and businesses. We are targeting this group. This group is responsible for the double murder in Malvern recently. We are actively targeting them.
He says the robbery at the Sharon Baptist Church on Monday, May 2, has caused unease based on the current policing strategy.
What we find when we did our analysis is that the Baptist Church is a little outside of the town of Santa Cruz. This gunman used that opportunity to go and rob the church. So what we have done is to expand our reach in the Santa Cruz space. I have put the police officers further out so they can cover a wider area in Santa Cruz to prevent this from occurring again.
Pastor of the church, Jacob Powell, says the incident has left the woman and the congregation shaken.
We hardly can do anything much because the fellow cut our telephone lines, so that we could not make any call out to the police or so. And we seem to have forgotten that people have cell phones.
The police say they've been following strong leads, which should help them nab the armed robber shortly. Meanwhile, the police say lottery scamming is another crime of concern in the parish. Superintendent Daly says 2 persons were arrested in a recent operation and 3 high-end vehicles seized.
Those operations will continue because we know that lottery scammers, when there are disputes, it leads to murder. And we have had some murders since the start of the year that are linked to lottery scamming.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.